Optimum Internet Self-Install Guide. If you've just received your Optimum self-install kit and want to get your home online without waiting for a technician, this video walks you through the entire setup process. So let's get right into it so you can activate your connection quickly and correctly. So firstly, of course, we need to unbox our Optimum kit. Inside the package, you should have your Optimum gateway, which is modem plus router, power adapter, coaxial cable, also or Ethernet or ONT cable for fiber, optional splitter, and quick start card. And then, depending on your service type, Optimum cable will have to be. Then you need to find the correct wall outlet. Depending on your service type, Optimum cable, look for coax outlet on your wall, and for fiber, look for the small fiber ONT box already installed indoors. And then you can connect to your gateway. For cable internet, screw the coax cable into the wall outlet and connect the other end to the coax port on the gateway. And for fiber, use the Ethernet cable from the ONT's LAN port and plug it into the Ethernet port on the gateway. Plug in the power adapter and let the device boot up. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes. Then wait for solid lights. The gateway lights must show a stable online status. Solid white or blue means connected. Blinking is still syncing. If it blinks for over 15 minutes, check your cables. And then look at the label on the side or bottom of the gateway for Wi-Fi network name and password. Connect your device normally through Wi-Fi settings. And then you can activate your service. Open a browser. It should automatically redirect to the Optimum activation page. If it doesn't, enter optimum.net/internet activation. And then to test if your connection works, just go to speedtest.net or fast.com. And if speeds are far lower than your plan, restart the gateway. And your Optimum internet should now be fully installed and activated. If the gateway never reaches a solid white light or your activation fails, contact Optimum support. But in general, you should be done now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.